Welcome to the channel Legit Online Learning. I got a lot of messages in my DMs to predict the price of Bittorrent BTT, and the pair is BTT USDT. Okay, so it is already on the Binance exchange, as we all know. So of course you have clicked this video to know about the price action move of the Bittorrent BTT. So let me show you. Let me first check it is recording. Yes, it's recording. So we had a great upward move to 13577 level. Okay, if we draw the, this is at the monthly chart. If we look at the lower of swing high, this we can say that this is the swing high of the monthly chart. Okay, so next up we go to the weekly one. So here the candles are going in the downward direction. It means the price action shows the bullish shows the bearish trend for now. So we have to draw, let's draw another level here and make it white, and let's check another level as well. For worst case we can also draw this level as well. Worst case, you know, it's crypto, it can go up, it can go down as well. So so now let's look at the daily chart, what it is telling. And I believe on support and resistance method, and we can see the supply and zone as well. Support and resistance is a very effective method. I've been trading using support and resistance for quite a long period. So I use this support and resistance method to predict the prices. So here we have a different scenario. Let's take a look at this. Let's analyze this price action move. Here we can see that this price, this area, and let me tell you that I have not prepared for anything. I'm just preparing at the spot for you guys. So let's take a look how it gets along. So let me draw the rectangular here. You can see this is the zone of consolidation. Okay, here what happened, first the price was in this zone. Let me draw the magnet tool. Okay, and let me draw the lower of that as well. You can see clearly, you can see that here the price let me, sorry for guys, sorry, I got this. We're gonna look into the past and then we're gonna check. So for example, we move here and forget about the future thing. Here we see that the price broke out of this resistance. Okay, here the price broke out of this resistance and it went straight up here. Okay, at this level, and then it moved back and it tested this level. Okay, it tested this level at 1-2 times. It was rejected 2 times and then it moved up. Okay, this level was tested second time, as first time was this and second time was this, and again it was rejected and then it moved back to test it again. This was the third test on the spot. This was previously resistance. When it crossed, then it became the support level. Then it rejected, then came back again and tested fourth time. Okay, so if we look at the volume here, you see the volume was absolutely massive during this bullish candles, and after that the volume became very low, not much of the volume. Okay, it means that not a lot of people are not selling, they are just consolidating in this area. If they could have been more red candles with line with above, you know, this is the average line of 51 MA of the volume. If there could be more red volume, bullish bearish volume, the price could have gone down. Okay, so here, due to the low volume, there aren't much of the selling going. Okay, so what happened after that, this became the region of consolidation. You see here, this became the region of consolidation, and after the consolidation period, it remained from started from 9th February to the 13th March. Absolutely, that's maybe 9th of 1 month. Yeah, for 1 month it stayed in this region, and when this level was tested third time, the volume was great. You see, in the downwards, when the down movement happened here, okay, here, if we see at the volume right below it, the volume was not much. If we see here, the volume was not much. If we see here, the volume was not that much. Okay, low volume, we can't break that level. This is very key point. This was the first test. Sorry, oh god, sorry about that. This was the first test. So you see, low volume, rejection, low volume, rejection, low volume, rejection, low volume, rejection. Okay, got it. Now here we had strong volume, but it was the first time, that's why it rejected from this level. Okay, second time the volume was great, but again at the very next candle, you see here why it rejected, because there was a lot of bearish candle, that's the candle. Okay, so if we move on, okay, here you can see the volume was good, but it rejected, somehow it rejected from this level, it respected, but here it was showing that a lot of buyers are in the market. Here at this volume showed that there are a lot of volume, that there are a lot of buyers in the market, and they want to break this level 0.02. okay, so what happened after that is volume became low. It means the price wants to stay in this region, okay, in this region. And what happened after few days of consolidation at this point, and why it consolidated at this area, let me draw this level as well. Okay, this should give you an idea. This, because it broke above this level, so it became the, you know, a zone within a zone. These two were the major zones, this one and this one, and in between there's a consolidation zone. Okay, it became the zone inside a zone, so it respected this zone for a few days, and after that, this you can see in these three candles, large volume helped this candle to broke above, and we moved above. Okay, we moved above. First candle, second candle, way above, third candle again. So we got, well, I just wanted to tell you guys, you can easily predict, so I'm giving the detailed analysis of the BitTorrent price action. So what happened is, once three green candles, it broke above this level and it went to this level. Okay, it became the new swing high. You can call this a new swing high. Here this became the new swing high, the new high, and after that the volume moved, the volume became very low here in this region. Okay, here in this region the volume became less, and we draw the lower of this swing high to be the new support. So this became our new support here at 29000. So what happened next, it also consolidated in this area. Okay, if there could have been a large red candles here at this area, okay, in this region, there we could have tested this level, but this level is untested for now, so we can expect this level anytime, or maybe in future we can expect that, but somehow move on. What happened next after that is look at these three candles. How can I hide these symbols? I don't know. Maybe let me, okay, I'm gonna test it on the next time. So what happened here, you can see on the green candle, these two candles, okay, the volume was great and it broke above this level. Okay, it was tested multiple times and it broke above, and less red candle was of small size, it means less volume, so it stayed there. And after that, you see the volume here, the volume increased, and volume increase causes the price to move above. It moved like a hell, it moved like bullish pennant. Okay, volume came very large. Okay, and here you can see the volume kept on moving up and up. Here the candle move up and up, so here we can draw a new high here. So what happened after that, this if we look at this red candle, the price, because there were a lot of sellers wanted to book the profit, so the volume of selling was too much, too high. You can see it was higher than this green candle, so this became the large supply zone, this area where sellers wanted to book their profit, and that's why the price went down. And what happened after that, the volume kept on going low and low, and the price is also going down, but not much. So okay, now we are right now in a crunch scenario. What should be, or what could be the next move? That's the question. That's why you are here. So here you can see that the volume here is low, and we can say that this could be the region of consolidation. It can go for a lot of time. Maybe here this could become the region of consolidation for some time. We might see some consolidation here, and it is required because this level is tested first time. We might say next move could go this, but for that we need a good volume. Volume is a very important factor in these support and resistance price action. So it can go also, if you have to look at this candle or the new candle for the volume to go. If the volume goes up on the red candle, it can go down, and we might gonna test this level. We might gonna test this level, and this level has also not been tested. We might go there as well. So that's the situation here we are dealing with. So let me check it. Okay, this area could become a resistance area. This area could become a support region, this area. Okay, for the upcoming days, because level has to be tested. Here we see this level is also not tested, but I don't think so that could be possible. But this area, the consolidation area, it has to be tested. So we might see some downward movements. It all depends on the volume. If you see there is a lot of good green volume going on, and the price is consolidating here, it means the whales are accumulating. Okay, and if there are a red volume and price is going down, we can also say that not a lot of selling going. But if there is lot of red candles, big red candles are going, it means the price is gonna move down. So you have to watch for it and wait for the candles to close. Don't take entry on the first candle. Just bear that in your mind whenever this level, okay, this level, if a new candle closes above this level with a good volume, it means the price is gonna move up. If candle closes below this level, we're gonna be moving to this, we're gonna test this level. So that's how things gonna go. So I'm seeing that in the future, if there's a lot of red volume, we might gonna see some retracement back to 36 or 50, because these levels are still untested. And we can say we might see some retracement, but all depends on the volume. So that was the detailed analysis. I just wanted to give you the inside picture so that you can have a better idea what direction could be in the future. So here we have two rejections here in this area, so we can say that BTT can stay in consolidation for a few days here. So that's all from my side, guys. That's all from my side. This was the video of BTT price prediction. Thank you very much.